Okay. Okay. How can I explain this? The wife, well, not me, but the wife is making haupia. There's the pan with butter, or what is that, butter oil?
Yeah.
And she's going to put them in here, which I've never seen it done this way before. But she's creative, and she's going to put it in here, in this. And then there's, stop it, and then there's, oh my God. Lily? And then there's the ingredients. Care to tell them the ingredients?
Coconut milk, coconut syrup, and cornstarch.
And is that it?
Yep.
That's all?
That's it.
The coffee is not added. It's just there. But Hawaiian Sun Premium Coconut Syrup, coconut milk, and what was
Cornstarch.
that? Cornstarch. Okay, I had it wrong. It wasn't flour. It's cornstarch.
Yeah, it's cornstarch.
And pan. I will. So I'm not going to. I'm just going to film this. Ian, you're up on me, buddy. Chef Ian.
Okay, Rob, she's trying to go out the door behind you.
Okay, go. No, you're not going. This is just a little shout out to him because he does cooking on his channel and I love his recipes, so had to put that out there. I should have really hold on, guys. I'll be right. There we go. I went and got the tripod so that way it's better to film. So I'm not with my shaky hands on this side. So I'm just moving the camera with the tripod here. Or phone with the tripod, sorry. There you go. And shout out to my grandpa Jerry because this is his recipe. And we can only hope that it comes out great because he's not the one making it.
You guys listen carefully. You just heard him ask for a divorce.
Okay, it's a boiling.
I have a problem.
What?
I don't think my pot's big enough.
Oi. Turn the heat down?
I did. I need a bigger pot.
Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. We gotta get a bigger pot. Okay, bigger pot is added. Careful now, you're gonna burn yourself down.
Okay, now I kind of gotta wait again.
Okay, waiting again. Okay, and what is in there?
The coconut milk and the syrup.
Okay, so coconut milk and syrup is in the pot. And this here is coconut milk and cornstarch in the bowl. And she is waiting for
The pot to boil.
the pot to boil. There you go.
You know what they say about watched pots.
What?
They never boil.
Oh. And we're back. Again. Back again. So apparently when you're adding, you're mixing all at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. I don't know if they can see. Hold on. There we go. It's coming out nice and thick and almost solid. Now it's looking creamy.
Relief stirrer.
Yeah. Oh, creamy.
We'll be doing this for another 3 minutes.
Creamy. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice and creamy, still bubbling. Well, apparently with this thing you gotta be what? Quick.
Kind of, yeah. Oh, I'm in the wrong button. Okay.
Alright, we'll see you back at the results when this is done.
Generally,
There we go.
we don't make them like this, but
Oh, they came out pretty nice though.
we have the classic ones, classic Haupia. In the
I never
Nice
seen
box.
it done like this before. Usually it's in a pan like that and it's just
I have it in the ice box.
a solid. Like, well, it's kind of like that there. You see that? That is usually how it's like. It's never like that. I never seen it done like that before. But that's the regular way.
This
That's
is the wife's way.
the wife's creative way, which is really nice, actually.
They're adorable.
Yeah, came out really well.
It'd be really cute if you used like food coloring next time. You did a little dribble inside of each one.
Oh God. Make them black. They look like little tires. Oh.
I was going to say something to that, but I'm filming, so I'm not going to. That's the finished results. There you go.
I have the regular ones too.
Do you want me to grab the regular one?
Let me take a picture.